What up, Bourbon Quest? It's your host, Bourbon Steve. Hey, we're gonna take a little trip down Knob Creek tonight. Anyways, Buddy George is supposed to be joining me. Had his whiskeys poured, but yeah, issues with the wife. So there's that. But I don't have those issues, so I'm here to hang out with you guys tonight and taste a little Knob Creek. What do you say? All right, so. And I have them all mixed up, so they're not in any particular order, but we will be doing Knob Creek 9-year-old, 9-year age stated, 100 proof. We'll be doing a Knob Creek single barrel store pick from Total Wine, 120 proof. We'll be doing a Knob Creek single barrel 9-year, just off the shelf, not a store pick, 120 proof. And then Knob Creek 12-year-old, 100 proof, pretty blue label. And then Knob Creek 15-year-old, 100 proof. So, anyways, without further ado, let's start drinking. Cheers, Bourbon Quest. Alright, so like I said, these are in no particular order. I'm just going to go through, taste them, rank them, and see which of these 5 are the best. So that is very sweet and nutty. Cherry, caramel, vanilla, a lot of vanilla. And of course your typical Knob Creek Jim Beam nuttiness going on. Very nice on the nose. Alright, let's go in for a taste, Bourbon Quest. Good Kentucky hub. Deep, rich vanilla, oak, nuttiness, vanilla. Very nice. Take a little water here. Stay hydrated, my friends. Yeah, sweet, vanilla, oak, nuttiness. Very good. That is a good bourbon, friends. Good Kentucky hug on it. Alright, see what the second one has to offer here. Not as much proof on this one on the nose. Fainter on the nose. I mean, some of the same flavors, just not as prevalent. So I'm thinking this is one of the 100 proof ones, but yeah, that Jim Beam nuttiness. A lot of oak and cherry. Alright, let's go in for a taste. Yeah, cherry, peanut, sweet, vanilla. Would say not as good as the first one. Alright, bourbon number 3. This one's a lot of that nuttiness. Better on the nose than the second, maybe not as much as the first. Definitely more ethanol feeling on the nose on this one than the second one I just did. Cherry, oak, vanilla, caramel. Yeah, caramel. Alright, let's go in for a taste. Very sweet, peanut, cherry, vanilla. More of a hug on this third one than the second one. I don't think it's as good as the first. little bit more of that oak char. So I'm gonna rank them right now. The first one was the best. That one's second. The other one third, at least at this point in time. 2 more to go though. Hope your all's evening is going well. It is Tuesday night here at the Bourbon Quest. Whew. Alright, let's see what number 3 has to offer. And then we'll make a special announcement tonight. How about that? Give you all some time to respond. Any guesses out there? Leave your comments. It's a giveaway of sorts. I like a damn good one, but alright. So, cherry, a little lighter on the nose than the last two. Vanilla, still that nuttiness. Alright, let's go in for a taste. Cheers, Bourbon Quest. Interesting. It's very smooth and sweet, vanilla, peanuts. It's doesn't have any much of a hug. I'm thinking this is again another 100 proof, but it's very, very crushable. Alright, I'm gonna rank it. Still going down the last, first, second, third. Alright, 1 more to go. Alright, last one. And I'm not going to go through these a second time because normally I like to do that, but I've done these blind once before. I'm just giving them a 1 shot through because I don't want to get, I got a special announcement to make, so I don't want to take up any more of your time or delay the inevitable, because 9 times out of 10 they don't change the rank anyways, but a lot of times I do like to give them a second through. Tonight's just not the night. Last one. Yeah, cherry, oak, vanilla, peanut. Wow. Definitely get that Kentucky Hoe. A lot more oakiness on that one. That could be maybe the 15, possibly the 12. Although it does taste hotter than 100 proof, so who knows. All right, 1 last sip. Yeah, so I'm gonna rank them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let's see what the results reveal. We'll go last to first. How about that? So, all right, coming in last is E, and E, wow, was the last place is the Knob Creek 9-year-old 100 proof. All right. Or 100 proof, 9-year 100 proof. If I said that wrong, I apologize. All right, so that was that. Next is D, and that is, surprisingly, it's going to be the 9-year-old single barrel 120 proof. Surprising. I thought that would have done better. it's interesting. I've done these blind and stuff, a couple different times, and I don't rank them typically the same way each time. So for whatever that's worth. So all right, third place goes to B, and B is the 12-year 100 proof. That's the that's the Blue Label one there. All right, so top two. All right, I'm gonna be interested to see what this is, because I'll be honest with you, before I reveal the results, the last time I did these blind, I'm almost positive the 15-year came in last. So if it comes in first, I'm going to be really surprised. So, son of a bitch. Second is the Total Wine Store Pick 120 proof. Then sure enough, the freaking 15-year wins this thing. That's crazy. Although I think the last time I did these, this finished first, along within the 9-year. I know the 15 finished last. It was the 12 fourth and the 15 last, but today it finished first. Maybe, opened up, got some air in it, whatever, but that's still pretty surprising to me, in all honesty. We'll try that again. I mean, yeah, you can smell that charred oak. The peanuttiness is really coming out in that. It's a lot better now than when I did it last time. I mean, it still has that heavy oakiness, but not as much as I remember before. It's nicer this trip around than the first time. Really is. So I'm surprised. Anyway, so that's your blind tasting for tonight. We have first place the 15-year-old, second place the Total Wine Store Pick, third the 12-year-old Blue Label, fourth the the 9-year-old 120 proof that you can get off the shelf, and then the last is your regular 100 proof 9-year age stated. But they're all good. I mean, I wouldn't consider any of them bad. Very similar throughout, just difference on the proof, a little bit on the, obviously, the age and the oakiness of it, but Knob Creek does a good job. So, good luck. Alright, now for a special announcement. Give me 1 second while I go grab this. Alright? Okay, Bourbon Quest, what I have here is an Eric Church single barrel select Jack Daniels bottle. Is that coming in? There we go. Is that a little better? Jack Daniels Eric Church bottle single barrel. Why am I showing you this? Because tonight's announcement is, and we'll announce it again more, but Eric Church, if you've watched the channel any at all, is coming to Knoxville, Tennessee at Thompson Bowl Arena on November the 12th. I have 2 tickets, lower level. You can win, so there's some qualifications on this. Number 1, you have to live within 100 miles of Knoxville. Number 2 is you have to be female. Number 3 is you have to be single. Number 4 is you have to like Eric Church and Jack Daniels. And then if you would like to go to the concert with me, Bourbon Steve, You can submit a 2 to 3 minute video. You can send that to bourbonquest33@gmail.com. So if you're interested, if you're female, single, like Jack Daniels and Eric Church, and would like to go see Eric Church drink Jack Daniels with me, and you live within 100 miles of Knoxville, submit a 2 to 3 minute video to bourbonquest33@gmail.com, and 1st of November I will announce a winner. Okay, so that's what it is. It includes obviously a date with Bourbon Steve, drinking I'm saving to open that bottle on November the 12th. We will be drinking the Jack Daniels Single Barrel or Eric Church edition. It will include a dinner at most likely Outback Steakhouse, and going to the Eric Church concert on Friday, November the 12th. So I know we're brand new, probably don't have a lot of female subscribers, but we're just throwing it out there to see what happens. All right, and I can guarantee you it will be a fun-filled evening. So listen, if you're interested, or if you know someone that might be interested, get them to subscribe. I mean, you know, if you've got a female friend of yours that is single and likes Eric Church and Jack Daniels, then by all means encourage them to send a subscription. It will be a fun-filled evening. I promise you that. All right, so that's the announcement. Submit a 2 to 3 minute video to bourbonquest33@gmail.com, and we'll have a good time. That's what it's about, and I can't wait. We may make another announcement. We may do a giveaway or something, but I have 3 bottles of this. I have not opened any of them, and since I got my Jack Daniels tickets to the tickets to the Eric Church concert, I'm saving that for that. Okay, all right, that's gonna wrap it up. Knob Creek, excellent. Submit those 2 to 3 minute videos on why you should be selected to go on this date with me, enjoy Jack Daniels whiskey, dinner, and concert to see Eric Church. Encourage your friends, your family members, female, single, 100 miles, Jack Daniels, Eric Church. All right, that wraps it up. Good night, Bourbon Quest. You're the greatest. May all your Bourbon Quest dreams come true. How about that?